What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to install these windshield wipers on an R56 Mini Cooper S. This is 2009. It should work on any of the R56s though. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and stick around. You're going to want to watch this whole video. No matter which Mini Cooper you drive, I have a Facebook group. It's called Mini Cooper DIY. I'll put a link to that in the description. Any Mini Cooper is welcome every year. Classic minis, even electric minis, everything. So yeah, it's a Mini Cooper DIY. There's a link in the description. Plus, if you just want to go on Facebook and type in Mini Cooper DIY in the search bar, you'll find it. Now let's get to the video. Okay, on your windshield wiper, when you pick it up from your window, right here where it swivels, there's a little tab right here. You just press in on that and slide. At the same time, take this part and pick up on it while you're pushing with your two fingers here, and it'll pop right out. And this is the tab. The whole thing that you're pressing on, the whole thing slides, so it just leaves this little J hook. I'll show you the installation right now. Okay, to install the new one, you're just going to slide it back up the same way that it just came out. Pressing in on that little lever, and it locks right into place just like that. Go ahead and remove the little clear thing that comes on it. Set it down lightly on your window. I'm using these Rain-X Latitude. I'll link to these in the description. Okay, the passenger side is the exact same way. You just pick up and push down. Slide it out. Should have this ready. The other one opened a lot easier. Okay, take the new one and slide it back in the exact same way as you did on the driver's side. Lifting up on the little lever. Oops. It's a little harder on this side because you can't see where you're going. There we go. And remove the clear part. Make sure you don't remove the black part. And just like that. Well, it's definitely the easiest windshield wiper replacement I've ever done in my life. It's hard on every other car I've ever owned. But you know, it's always good to know how to do it. But if you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down, and I'll catch you in the next video.